Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to assist you about Absher and Nafath. So first, we'll know that what exactly is Absher and Nafath. So basically, Absher is a government portal streamlining the government transactions for the citizens and the residents, and as well as the visitors for the basic services like postal delivery, civil affairs, and related to the traffic like license and every other thing. On the other hand, Nafath is enables the real-time identity verification, including biometric verification, and both the applications are mandatory for the people who are working in Saudi Arabia. Now, I'll tell you what exactly and how to verify your identity through Absher and Nafath. Go to Google and or you can download the application from App Store and the Play Store. And you have to select this Absher individual portals. After getting the after clicking on individual portals, you will get this page pop up on your phone or on your laptop or your desktop. You have to click on the new user, then only you will be able to move to the next step. And then you have to enter few details such as a Kama number, border number, mobile number, and email. You can also change those details at a later stage. After entering those details, you also have to create your username and password. Make sure you are reading these details, which is highlighted here in red, and also please read these details too. Click your preferred language and you can move to the next step. After doing that step, now you have to get the access towards the Nafath, which is a digital identity verification, like your biometric details. You can download the application from App Store and Play Store. Once you'll open that application, you have to click on settings. Then you have to click on Absher self-services. After clicking on Absher self-services, you have to activate your national digital identity, and then this page will pop up. Activate your national digital identity. Now you have to enter your ID number as well as the password. Please note that this password is related to the Absher which you created previously, and you have to enter the same password. You can face some challenges while logging in. Might be your password is having too much special characters, which you have to reset it through app once again. If doing that and you're still not able to do that, so the next step which I performed personally, I visited to the kiosk machine which is nearby to my house, the Lulu hypermarket, Riyadh Avenue Mall in Murabba. You can also visit there if you are living nearby, or you can Google it, the locations. You can majorly find those kiosk machine nearby the malls or inside the malls. These are my personal experience, and it can vary from case to case. And also there are some next steps after registering through Absher and Nafath. You have to register your national address. Why? Because it is mandatory when you are taking the government services such as license or any kind of physical document you can expect from the government itself. In this case, the second step will be the banking account, and your banking details, as well as card, debit card, credit card, checkbook, etc., will receive to your national address, which you will register on Absher. Here's the step. Once you log in on Absher, there will be electronic services. You can click on My Services, and then there will be an option for the journal services. And then you have to click on the national address services, create that, and boom, you're good to go. Thank you for your time. And if this video helped you, please feel free to share this with your friends, like and subscribe so they will not struggle alone. Thank you so much. Masalam.